Hello and welcome to week two's Jing for CIS126. Jason here, and we're going to look at what I've been learning about this week. Now, my approach to this week was looking over the Python library and thinking about what I know how to do with App Inventor and basically how do I do it in Python. So a few of the things I kind of focused on, one was variables. So assigning values to variables, working with them a little bit. I know part of what was in the lecture was indentation in Python and why it's important. So let's see here. So I'm going to assign a value to A, a value to B. I'm just going to make a simple statement. A is equal to B. Print true. Else now this returned the value that I expected. In this case, A is not equal to B, so it printed false because that's the result. Now, what can go wrong with that? So let's try this again without indentation. And of course I get an error because I didn't indent the block. So the Python program, it's not realizing that I've got a block of code. So different from App Inventor, of course, because you're not really dealing with that syntax on App Inventor. So that was something I'm definitely keeping in mind here. Now, a second thing I wanted to look at is how does a list work in Python? So I know one of the easy things to do in App Inventor was to make an application that the user can input a grocery list. So I just kind of experimented with how do you create a list in Python. So I'm just going to put it in brackets. Make a simple list. So now I can call my list. It displays the results. So now that I have my list, how can I add to it? So that was another thing I wanted to learn about. So let's see if I can remember here. I'm going to try adding cinnamon to the list. Okay. So now what happens? So now I have my extra item. So those are just a few of the things I wanted to play around with while looking at the library, because I know how important lists and variables are in programming. So that's it for this week's Jing. We'll see you next week. Thanks for watching.